Even the healthiest of chocolates usually have some sort of refined sweeteners or emulsifiers in them. And then you have the vitamin degradation from sitting on the shelf so long. Your best option? Buy healthy, organic ingredients and make it yourself. The main ingredients are dates and raw cacao at a ratio of 3:1, a little coconut oil for fat, then any healthy ingredients you like. I added pink salt and some cacao in the bottom of the molds. Press in the mixture. Freeze for 20 minutes. And that's it. Store it in the fridge to keep it firm. And there is your nutrient-dense, delicious, guilt-free chocolate. Enjoy.